Hi, I'm Mark Theisen. I'm a captain with the city of Novi, Michigan. And this is our SPH 100. This SPH 100 is the Monarch Extreme Duty. We have a 73-inch cab with a 10-inch raised roof. All Pioneer Wayland C lighting inside there. A couple of unique features that we chose. A little bit of bling on the doors. We also use this as a little bit of a reflection when you have it open in the light so they can catch it. The pull-out trays for the clean cab. We'll be able to put a door on here and put all of our fire gear inside there. You can also put an SCBA on the top there. A couple other unique features that we went with is we went with the Brigade 360 camera. So as we're setting up the SPH 100, we'll be able to see all four sides of the vehicle. We went with the Hale 2,000 gallon per minute pump. It's got a 400 gallon tank with 20 gallons of foam. 3 cross lays, got a 200 foot of 2.5 and 2 3/4 lines, both 200 feet. One other thing we went with was the FLIR camera system with the pivoted out, so the pump operator can see it. Also, the incident commander can come see it, and we'll look at the camera at the end of the bucket. Overall, we have 283 cubic feet of storage in all the compartments. More Pioneer lighting on top as well. We really liked the usability of the steps to get in and out. So not only can we get in the bucket up front with the controls, but we can also get in the bucket from back here as well. Full complement ladders. We're going to be able to put 700 feet of 5-inch hose back here. Storage basket and store several things in there as well. We have more Wayland Pioneer lights on the bottom. We have one on the top. This is our FLIR camera. This FLIR camera has an actuator, so it'll be able to actuate and we'll be able to look 90 degrees down for looking for any hot spots or if we're doing a large area search to assist our police department. For compartment space, we went with a 10K smart power hydraulic generator. We also have a little bit of room for storage, so every little piece of storage helps us, even though we have a ton already, but we'll be able to do that. Hose trough for our 5-inch. Got a cord reel here for our power. Inside the cab, it's a 10-inch raised roof, 73-inch. We'll have our thermal imaging camera, all of our preps in a single location, wireless headsets for each passenger. We have a SCBA bracket seat for all of our 4 in the back. We also have the Ems Cabinet up front here. All of our seats are removable with the zip clean for our clean cab. We also have our Havis mount for our tablet. One thing that we really like about this truck is we added roto beams and more roto beams. So all of our light bars up front are roto beams. We felt that being on the interstate and on the expressways, we have really a big visibility. FireTech LED lights. Went with the 24-inch bumper with the extendable hose trough. So we'll be able to put up to 200 feet of 1 3/4. We can also mount tools up top for vehicle fires. So the FireTech 3-piece brow set as well. And this thing is very, very bright. So we chose Sutton for several reasons. One of the main reasons is just the quality of their vehicle. I can tell you that we tried other vendors and looked at their platforms, and they didn't come close to the quality of the Sutton SPH 100. Also, it's more of a family vibe here. So once you get here and you start the process, we started the process with Apollo Fire in Michigan. The vendor, he went step by step each individual compartment, we're able to lay everything out. So it's very easy, no high pressure. When you come to the factory, you can talk to anybody that's working here and find out exactly what's behind each panel because everyone is so knowledgeable. So that's just a couple reasons that we chose our Sudfin SPH 100.